going on? Yo, it's KwaThe1BigDeal, D.L.E Radio. We out here at the Donnie B and Friends. Well, really, Donnie B's birthday bash, all right? And I got this young man who y'all should know. I got the homie Skip the Grinder here with me. You know, I haven't seen him in a while, so I was excited to see him because I know you always grinding. Now, what's good, man? What's going on, man?
Hey,
Long time no see, bro.
You too, man. You know me, man.
And listen, I'm proud of you. Cause I seen you moving in Miami. You be like, I remember it was time when I was going out there. And you was like, yeah, I'm out here. Just let me know when. Yo, this guy, man, wherever you are, look, Florida representative. First of all right.
Straight out of Florida, man.
When I tell you this man is a hustler, he is a hustler. All right. Now, Skip, tell me what you've been up to, yo.
Oh man, you know, just been grinding, man.
Yeah.
Been in the studio working, you
right.
know.
Now I know you just did you just performed somewhere, didn't you?
Oh yeah, Climax. Last night. Oh
Word.
man.
Now it was crazy?
Yeah.
Word. Okay, I feel that. And you world. Love and hip hop and anything you got up in there too. How that felt? Cause I seen. So I be seeing y'all a lot, you know, moving with Scrappy and shit.
Right. It felt good because you know, thanks to my manager D.L.E, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
He did his thing, so he gave me like the experience to be on TV. So when I got a chance to be back on TV, you know, like on Love and Hip Hop Miami, shout out D.L.E Star, you know, she a good person, good friend. She told me about it. She put the action in. I showed up, made it happen. And you know, it was a game changer, man.
Yeah.
You know, being in Love and Hip Hop Atlanta, you know,
I remember I seen you on that
Love and Hip Hop
Yeah.
Miami. You know that was a great transition. Show that the grind's still going. And I'm always on the grind, and I'm always keep doing great things, you know.
Yeah. No, when I say the reason why I keep bringing up the hustler part is because when I tell you this man owns some businesses and you do it, I mean you still doing all the other.
Oh yeah. Cut and grind lawn. Yeah. Cut and grind lawn.
What's the name of it? Say it again.
Oh, cut and grind lawn, man. Hey.
And when I say the boy be moving, he moving. He does the music thing. You see him on Love and Hip Hop. You see him doing. I mean, the man's been moving. And since we had him in the studio back in the day, this man has evolved. You know what I mean? And I like to see that when you know a lot of the artists that I've came in contact with in the past still moving and out here, you know, making stuff happen. Man, I'm proud of you, bro.
Man, you know that's one love, man. All day long, man.
I'm gonna keep
one love, man.
I gotta keep my eye on you. You know what I'm saying?
Thank you, man. That's nothing but love and support, man, all the way, man.
Yes, sir. And look, again, you know, when I come to the city, whatever city you in at the time, this man always like open arms, always welcoming. So, you know, it's always good to have a plug like that. You dig? But T-Town, what's going on, Temple? Shout them out. Do what you got to do, man. Tell them where to find you and all that good stuff.
Yeah, man. You already know, man. Skip the Grinder, man. You can find me on all platforms. You know, everything, you know, Instagram, Skip the Grinder, Facebook, Skip the Grinder, Twitter, Skip the Grinder. Everything Skip the Grinder,
man. Skip the Grinder.
You know what I'm saying? You know, got to shout out to Donnie and Friends, man.
That's right.
Got to shout my boy out, man.
Yes, sir. Because we've been out here, everybody out here grinding.
Straight family right here, man.
Yeah.
Nothing but love and family,
all the time. Every time we come through, man.
What you got to shout out my D.L.E Problem, man. He's doing his thing, man.
No choice but to shout him
on the grind like always, man.
That man on D.L.E more than I'm on it.
Hey, he grinding. He always on the grind. D.L.E Problem. He gonna cause a problem when you're on the ground. That's why he did a problem, because he gonna cause a problem when you're on the ground.
He over here. Come here, D. Come on, get in here. Yeah. Listen. Put this on you real quick. So, how you get Skip out here this week?
Shit.
I know Skip normally move, like, when y'all moving units, man.
Nah, fact. Skip, he been grinding trying to, like, we've been trying to calculate our moves, so he ain't just out here, just for no reason. So he been trying to lay low grinding. He linked up with a good connect in Fort Lauderdale, Miami. Had a GG Star shot to her and her team. So they been having him move around the city out there. So shit, he know Donnie B events, man. So he knew I had something on the 29th. Shit, the opening was there. He was like, shit, if I could just fly in for a day and be gone, I'm gonna do that. But then he realized I had something Friday. So he was like, shit, I'm gonna stick around to Friday. But you know, just like I said, calculated moves, shows that matter. I'm really on his media press, so we can put as many songs out as we want. But if the people in Atlanta and the streets don't start getting to know him, you know, we moving backwards. So we kind of holding up on that end, just really trying to get him in front of most media as we can, get that press run up done, and just run through the streets, man. He here where he need to be. So shit, I told him about it. He was like, shit, I'm gonna come in. He booked the ticket, sent it to me, and shit, we here, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, the
grind away. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, it's a grinding thing, man.
Yeah, and one thing I noticed, because I watch y'all. You know what I'm saying? I watch how y'all be moving. And when I say y'all moving a unit, y'all moving a unit. And it's like a train, it's a domino effect of a whole lot of loyalty and respect. And again, you know, I tell you all the time, every time somebody mentions you, they're talking about how respectful they are towards you because of the man that you uphold yourself to be.
Yeah, I appreciate it. I mean, that's what I strive for, man. Like I said, I'm trying to bring you know what I'm saying, caring back into this shit. They teach you not to make business personal and stuff like that. And my motto is, it's all personal to me, because that's how I care about it. If you really don't, if it's not personal to you, you ain't gonna give a fuck about it. So I tell them all the time, like, this is personal. I care about his career, I care about his growth, I care about what he got going on, I care about when his money low, if he depressed, he can't do something, you know, I just care, you know what I'm saying? I feel like back in the day, that's how a lot of artists got far, you know, their team actually really cared. It wasn't just about a paycheck, you know what I'm saying? Money gonna come and go. Between us, we done seen money a lot of different ways. You know, Skip don't do nothing but grind, you know what I'm saying? So he's a hard earner, period. So he done seen money, you know what I'm saying? And she already know what the fuck going on. We done seen money a lot of different ways. Her art, you know, stay right here. Done seen money a lot of different ways. Shout out to Light of 6,000. You know, me and her the sandbox with it. So it just, we done seen a lot of different avenues of this shit. Music changing lives. So I just want me and my team to stay on the right path. Keep God first, you know, family second, the grind third, and shit. We can't lose, you know what I'm saying?
The game, you know what I'm saying?
Right. 6K the label.
That's right. Productions.
That's right.
But one thing I gotta say, I love this nigga here. Love this nigga here. Love this nigga here.
I love you.
No, don't go too far. Don't go too far. Right. Yo, well, listen, man. I'm, you know, anytime I throw this thing up and I'm outside and y'all around, you know, I gotta get y'all on camera because y'all family. D the Problem, Skip the Grinder, CTE.
That's the D.L.E family, man. We rocking with them. D.L.E finna be there Friday at Glow Bar. Shout out to Wet Fest ATL Bonfire, you know what I'm saying? The big dog, Scrappy, TC in the building, Cash Grounder. Finna go crazy in that thing, man. Shout out to Donnie B, man. Donnie B and friends. We here and we live.
Happy born day to Donnie B.
Already.
Happy G-Day, man.
Yep.